What's up, gang, and welcome to another episode of GNCRC. Tonight, guys, I just want to give you an update on how far I got on my Dementor chassis. A bunch of you guys were online last night while we were doing it live, so this is the way it started. I changed out the weights on both the front and the rear axle because these came off of the Dementor. No, these actually came off of the Warthog, and they were actually green, like a lime green. So I changed those out, and I added this brass steering link by Injora. And then from there, we went ahead and put the links together by Injora as well. Went ahead and added the links in, and added the chassis. That is the Dementor by Hard Part. These are Injora shocks. These are the standard 32mm, if I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure. I think they're the oil field ones as well. We went ahead and added the GNCRC servo, along with the horn and the mount. I got this on here. I don't know if this is going the right direction. I think it should be going the other way. I do know some people use the crossbars up top, I guess, for easy access inside, but I'm probably gonna run this thing with this. I'm gonna do something different for these shocks. These are just mounted right here for the time being. I'm gonna use some nuts on the back of them at some point once I do decide the shock positions and all. Now, these axles have the trill weights, wheel weights. This is part of the electronic package. So I got to figure out how I want to mount all this stuff on this thing as well. I'm trying to figure out what motor I want to go with. I don't know if I kind of want to do that new pancake style motor by Furytech. I'm not really sure just yet. But I also have a micro Komodo, and I thought about taking the original Komodo out of my Jeep and sticking it in here as well. But I really don't know just yet. Hit that sub button if you're not subbed to the channel. Hit the notification bell, and definitely drop a comment on what you would put in this particular build. One other thing I wanted to mention was the 4mm axle shafts. I think I'm gonna kind of go big this time because I never go big with anything as far as like my builds. I don't build them just really wide or anything like that. But I'm thinking about doing that, and I'm thinking about adding a nice big set of tires because you guys know I'm kind of against the big tires. But I'm gonna do something different because everybody tend to think I don't like the large tires. It's not that I don't like them, they're just not appealing to me. It doesn't have that much of a challenge after I add that. That's just in my mind, but you know. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to give you an update on where we were with this because I wasn't gonna do a live tonight and start back building. I might start back on it tonight, but I wasn't gonna do a live on it. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, this is GNCRC.